Let me show my room in RedDoorz near Walking Street. Only one spot. Have remote control for aircon and its work. Yeah, like this. Have window, table near window, bed, sofa, wardrobe with safety box. Oh, too dark. Anyway, here safety box. And here shower with really hot water, heater work properly, small basin and toilet. In the corner of wardrobe have safety box. You can ask a key for safety box on reception. TV, I never turn it on, and small refrigerator. I think that's it. Oh, and the picture on the wall. Yeah. I don't like that mattress. It's very, very old and already have deformation. But ceiling very high and room, it's okay.